What up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Alcala, back again for another video for Tuesday, September 24th. I'm going to start this video off with trying to answer some of your questions. I may not get to all of them, but I will definitely try to see what I can do. First of all, I got some questions. Where do I turn my Cortez revisions? In the folders, what I want you to do is turn it in down here under Cortez paragraph revision. So from now on, this is where you guys are going to be turning it in. Okay, cool. Another question I got was, where do I see what I need to correct? Laura, I'm going to have to put you on the spot a minute. You did a great job on your paragraph, but Laura missed 1 point. And basically what I did was I copied and pasted the parts of the checklist that needed to be corrected. So if you take a look here, papers in Times New Roman font, including the heading and page number. So the page number wasn't in Times New Roman font. So I just took 1 point off, not the whole 3 points off. Okay? Third question I'm getting is about Common Lit. I've been trying to communicate the various problems we've been having with Common Lit. If we all can't get in, we'll try something else, but just make sure that you're coming in. Okay? Cool. All right. This video is going to be a little bit shorter today than it was yesterday because basically what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and go over the assignments that we're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the 24th, and we're going to go over this one by one. So while this is loading, I want to give a shout out to Tobin. Tobin, thank you for helping us get into seeing our videos. Okay, so Tuesday, September 24th. So you guys are going to go ahead and do your grammar warm-up day one. I believe it's page 11. I could be wrong. In the comments, correct me if I made a mistake there. Our writing today, here's what you guys are going to do. We're going to go ahead and go on to lesson 4, the transatlantic slave trade. Page 33, you guys are going to read day 1, instructions 1 through 5. So this is a teacher's manual. What you're going to do today is you're going to make a key word outline from the story on page 34. Again, minimum of 3 words. You can use as many symbols and examples as you want to. So again, that's from the Transatlantic Slave Trade, page 34, 35. Okay, so on page 36, I want to go over this with you guys. This is the, these are the words that we're going to go through to give our words a little bit more of a sensory feel. I'm going to do a document here. But under our brainstorming style, what we're going to do is we're going to use these words to kind of give our sentences a little bit more of a meaning here. Basically, if you take a look here, we have description. So bright, brilliant, sparkling, and then you have your different things beautifully. So just go over that. Then under our who, which clauses. Just an example of a who, which clause would be Thanos, who hovered ominously, or I'll just say threateningly, over Iron Man, snapped his fingers. Okay, perfect. Again, this is page 36, our who, which clause. The hallway echoed, no, I'm sorry, which echoed ominously. was empty. All right. So that's all you guys are doing for page 36. So you guys can make up one of your own. On your paper that's coming up, I want you guys to make or use 2 adverbs. So use a minimum of 2 adverbs. Now, on page 37, you're going to complete the title rule page. So basically what you're going to do is you guys are going to make a title based on the last sentence on page 34. So let me type that sentence down here. So this is page 34. So the cruel men led them away while I'm having a hard time typing here. While those left behind cried bitterly. So what this is asking you to do, let me go ahead and get back to that page, is make a title based on this last sentence. So the title repeats 1 to 3 words from the final sentence. So for example, the source text ends with the cruel men led them away while those left behind cried bitterly. So the keywords are all underlined. So here are 2 possible ways to repeat 1 to 3 words from the final sentence. So led away and cruel men. So we got led them away down here, which equals led away, and then cruel men. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the title Bitter Tears. So Bitter Tears will be the title of my transatlantic slave paper. So cried bitterly, bitter tears. Yeah, absolutely. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm here for you. I realize that some of you are kind of ahead of the game, but just try to bear with me as I go through this day by day so that we don't get confused. Oh, and another thing too, you guys have to complete a paragraph from KWO on a separate sheet of paper. So obviously you guys can type it, that'll help you out, but you're going to make your keyword outline and you're going to write a paragraph from KWO in a separate sheet of paper. Okay, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, please email me, and I will be with you guys very soon. All right, bye.